What we got? What are we doing?
Building a mini bike from scratch.
What do we start out with?
Piece of shit Chinese mini ATV.
Here's what's left of that. It's friends over there.
Show what we traded it for.
Not a cut up one, a good one. Where'd you hide it?
In the bullshit.
In the bullshit?
There you go. Doesn't look like merch, but it's...
Here's a taco. We got a taco and something else.
They say it's from the 60s or something? Taco mini bike and forks and stuff from the 60s. And then a solid rubber wheel and rim from the 30s, I believe. So he said, or something like that. I don't know. And then we're building this with...
What the fuck is he doing?
That's my retarded brother over there.
There's Hootymobile.
Driving his peepaw machine. Because he thinks he's old. Oh, burnout. Slow down. And what we got over here is we got some
Home Depot steel.
what size is that? Round tubing. 3/4 inch by 1/16 by 36 inches. And some flat bar. Bullshit.
How thick is this?
How thick is it? Thick enough.
Oh, it's made in USA. That's good.
And this is what we had.
2mm by 1/8 by 36.
Yes, the welds are disgusting. Haven't done anything to them yet. But this is what we had for the top bar when we were using the Chinese frame. But since it's good steel, we kept it. And then this is extra.
This was a support.
This is also another top bar without the turn there. And then down here on the ground, what I was working on, these are going to be the bottom bars of the mini bikes, which like what? This is the back, that'll be the front. This is how we're bending everything, because we can't afford anything else. Could barely afford this one. And yeah. And we're reinforcing with some rebar, because why not?
Man.
And the welder I'm using is a piece of crap. Tools, but it works.
Harbor Freight works better.
It works good enough. Oh yeah. It's all about the engine. Go for it.
See, was it a 10-horse Raptor with a Comet 30 series torque converter?
He didn't say how much it was bored over, but he said it was bored out, ported and polished. And yeah.
Yeah, we just cracked the head open and see what it
Coming
says.
from Pennsylvania, so I've got to wait a few weeks before that comes in. And that's free. He's just giving it to me. I don't know why.
Tell him about the Horde.
He's a nice guy. Wait, when?
The Horde and the...
The dude I got all those forks and wheel from. Him, and he's built like 30 of them in the past 2 years. One of which he ran with nitrous. Yeah, can't imagine that.
And he's got himself in trouble again.
Yeah, not 2 hours after I traded him the little ATV, he clocked it going about 52, and he got a ticket. So, and then he called me like, I don't know, like an hour ago maybe?
Yeah.
Called me like an hour ago, saying that him and his dad are going up to Oklahoma to look at a warehouse that his dad's friend is buying, and it's just full of old mini bikes and mini bike parts, and he's gonna hook me up with some good shit.
Yeah.
Pardon my language. Yep. So everybody in the neighborhood will have a mini bike. We'll just tear stuff up.
You already got big ones, now we need small ones.
Yeah, but we're not buying a frame that's already made. We're making one from scratch. That's the only thing that's already made. The fork, because I didn't want to try and... Yeah, it's already made. I didn't want to try to do it, so... And it was free to me because that four-wheeler I had was free. Got it from the neighbor.
This is what we were going to use.
Yeah, that was going to be the...
You see, the weld stuck to that, but not the plate.
The plate was way too thick. Because I had to use the voltage 1. And if I went to voltage 2, it would just burn through the thin and not...
And this is what we were going to use.
Little 2 horse... Is that 2?
Yes, it's a baby 2.
Little baby 2.
Yeah.
2 horse. Then we'd go show them the other one.
Oh, we could put this on there too.
But I gotta get a light.
I got a light, huh?
Oh, you got a light? My light's brighter though.
Fuck you.
My light looks purple because I've been staring at the weld. I got a Honda ATC 200cc engine that debated putting on there. I decided to go easy and just put a regular
10 horse
Honda clone. But it's a Briggs. So Briggs. USA.
Yeah,
Go America.
Fuck you. Oh, found your hammer.
Found a hammer?
Found your slide hammer.
Oh, that's a piece of crap. Well, alright, well, we'll keep you updated on whatever else